Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to look at something very new guys, that you can also use to make money. I know that in previous videos we've been watching on how maybe to make money on Binance and whatever. If you want to watch any kind of a video from Binance that I made, of which my YouTube subscribers are making money daily from there, I'll leave the link in the description. That will be the first link that will direct you to my Binance videos. So today we're going to look at this cool application. It's called the Mtfe, but some people calling it Mtfe. So here, how do we make money over here? This is the new app. I will show you. I'll show you. So for instance, when I go here to my capital flow, you can see. So on my capital flow, let me wait for it. You can see some money that I've been dealing with here, and I've been moving them out. For instance, my first one, let me see my first order. Actually, there's too much orders, but I'm gonna, yes, for instance, this one now. The first order that I did, just I deposited my money. That was $27.45, and all these are the kind of the data that of which I've been withdrawing money. Some of them have been withdrawing money, some of them have been adding some funds. Just check that, guys. So how do we actually make money with this platform? That's what we're gonna do on this video today, to see how we can make money and what are the ways to make money. Actually, there's different kind of ways that you can make money here. Maybe you have forex knowledge, maybe you have, different kind of matters. So let me, for instance, show you. I'm gonna click on the trade. Let me show you. I'm gonna click on this button here, the trade button, this one. Let me click it. I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna go here to the trade. So let's wait for it to open. So as you can see, we have different kind of options. When you see on the top bar here, we have different kind of options that you can use or you can trade with here, guys. It's actually one of the coolest applications that you need to have. You can also use it on iPhones or on Android. So all of this. So before seeing all of this first, I want to show you how you can get this application. Let's go directly. I'm gonna go to my Play Store. I'm gonna go to my Play Store so I can show you guys how you can get it and can download it. It's actually free. You can just download it and start making money today. So I'm gonna go here on the search bar and I'm gonna hit Mtfe. Just click that, guys, and then I'm gonna search. Just click that. So after it searches, you can see here, because I've already downloaded, so I'll have it. Here is how it is, and icons is how the explanations are. Here it is, so you can see each and everything, and it's actually having some good reviews also. Yes, I would like to show you the reviews, but that will take much time because this video is not for showing reviews. So it's how it is. So after you've downloaded it, guys, you're gonna go and open it. I have it, as you can see. Let me show you here. I have it over here. Here's my Mtfe app. So I'm gonna click it, just like that, and after I've opened it, most of the times it will bring you to this. So if you wanna go and check in your profile, you have to click on this button over here down, just like that. So different kind of ways. If you are a forex trader, guys, you can just come here and click on the forex, and it will actually bring the forex trades. If you're good at forex, you see all these pairs. We have GBP, USAU. So any kind of online traders, people who know about forex, people who know about cryptocurrencies also can trade here. So maybe commodities, you can come here to the commodity section. You can see that's how it is. But automatically, when you are into this application, we normally trade on indices. So when you come to the index, you can see. So this is what we do trade most of the time, and most of the time the kind of indices that I trade here for the time being that I've been on this, because I've been Mtfe user for an year now. We do trade most on this over here. And we also do trade on ECI over here. These are the most pairs that we do trade over here, mostly. And you'll be receiving, for instance, for the people who will join through me, people who will be under my team, I'll be providing signals that will be helping you to make money on Mtfe. Free signals. You see, just a free signal that if you join through my team, if you're on my team, you just get free signals, guys. Free signals, free ways to make money. What I just give you just a signal. You come here, you trade, you make money. You see, it's like I've given you almost everything, guys. You see, so all of this, you have trade stocks. You see stocks over here, you can trade, or you can trade crypto, guys. People from Binance also, I know you do trade cryptos. You can also come here and trade cryptos. You have Bitcoin, you have Litecoin, you have Ethereum, you have ADA, ETCFC, you have a lot of them, you have a bunch of them here. So what are the methods that you can use to actually go and trade over here? There's two methods. You can trade manual, or you can trade using a robot, because here we have an automatic robot. You don't have to go and buy a robot somewhere, you see. So I have actually bring for you something that's very cool. You don't have to go and buy a robot, maybe doing whatever. No, the robot is automatically inside here, each and everything. So you can make using a robot. You can make money using a robot. You can make money manual. So what are the advantages of using the robot? When you use a robot, your work will just be wake up on Monday, open the robot, and coming on Friday. Actually, it closes itself on Friday. I hope people who are trading forex knows about this. All the markets are usual opened on Monday and they end on Friday. But for people who are dealing with crypto is always there each and every day. Then for themselves, they just trade each and every day. So that's the difference. But when you're trading manual, you have specific time that you'll be entering and trading. Mostly it's like 4 p.m. every day in the evening. Yes, 4 p.m. sometimes it's 3 p.m. sometimes it goes until to 5 p.m. So it just depends. But if you're using a robot, the matter of switching on the robot, you continue to work. What you have to do, you come here at 9 p.m. Yes, during the night, and just check your profits. So for the people who will be using robot, you don't even need to follow up about the signals of trading. But you can also be on the group just to be updated about things. But for the people who need to trade manual, will have to follow the signals, because I'll be posting the signals on my group. I have a group that I'll be posting signals. And if you happen to download this application and you're already done each and everything, and you need to get these free signals, you just see my WhatsApp number. I'll leave my WhatsApp number below. You just have to contact me through my WhatsApp number, and when you contact me, you provide me with your registration. Yes, I will ask you to give me a registration code, because the code that you're given as a registration. Yes, you will provide me with that, and I'll be sure that you have joined under my team. I'll confirm the checking, and then I'll add you to my group and be getting free signals. Just simple like that, guys. So that's the two methods that of making money from here. So I'll leave the link in the description to other videos, because there's other kind of videos that I will show you on how to deposit, on how to withdraw, on how to switch on the robot, on how to do kind of different stuff from this application, because it's a very cool one. It's a very cool application, guys. And I'll also show you some means that you can share your code and people can get money. So that's a different kind of method of making money over here. You can make money through trading, you can make money through sharing your code, just sharing your code. Or if you don't want to share your code, just put your investment and proceed on getting money. So that's it for today, guys. I'll leave the link in the description to another videos that will help you also earning money on this kind of a video. So until then, see you guys and have a wonderful day, my friends.